Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's a Friday. I was actually supposed to have a guest to come sleep over. My cousin, she was supposed to come and sleep over, but those plans got cancelled, so we're going to do that next week. So I'm gonna see her tomorrow anyways. We're gonna go work out together, but I was looking forward to like the hangout and stuff. So far what I've done is I went to the dentist to book an appointment for a checkup and a cleaning. My teeth hurt constantly, but I've been fearing going to the dentist because I saw a TikTok where they were drilling out the cavities and but I was just freaked out actually seeing what happens. And then every time I'm like in town, I go to the thrift shop, even though my friend said that I should go with her, and I will, but it's just that at the time I was there, I just popped by. So see, thrifting is therapy to me, but I did spend a lot. I spent like 2,300. I got this white top, really simple. The thing that sold me about it was this neckline here, and the material is so nice. The second top is, honestly, this is going to be my fourth top just like this, but I'm sorry, I'm obsessed with them. They look cute and I can't have enough of them, so let me put this on for you. So this is the top. You can wear it cropped, or you can wear it like regular top. You can wear it like this, or you can wear it like this. I just stopped buying these tops. It's a bit too much now. So this is the other top. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's those sweater materials. Best is that cover armpit fat are the best. So this is the other top. Right. This is more like a formal type top, but I really like how it looks. It's very like bright. And then all those were like 500 kwacha. And then I got this little, it's like a headband thing. It's the next day now, it's Sunday. Yesterday I got home and then what did I do? I was just resting. I ate, made some food, cleaned out my fridge, just did a little bit of cleaning. Didn't have plans for the day. And then Eskom did what it does best, so I didn't have electricity until 11, from 1 until 11. So I didn't actually do much apart from like clean, and then the rest of the night I was in the dark, so I couldn't film anything. But yeah, so today is Sunday. I just came from church and I've just been like cleaning some more and then watering my plants, which is an update. I got plants, by the way. If you guys hear kids, like I stay in a compound with another house, so there's another family. Oh, also what I did yesterday, I did my nails. I did a French tip on them. I did them in the dark. I think they came out well, as good as they can get. Okay, so the makeup is off, the hair is off. I hope I didn't scare you guys with that transition. So right now, it's a little bit later, I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. I haven't had lunch, but I want to make dinner. What I have planned is I'm gonna make wings and rice. I'm gonna attempt jollof rice. Attempting. I don't think it will come out as well, but anyways, I'll be positive about it. Also, for anyone who was like following my intermittent fasting stuff, my diet stuff, the first month living here I wasn't intermittent fasting because Eskom would like turn off the lights and I wouldn't be able to eat in time. So I'm back on intermittent fasting this month, September, the second month living here, because I got something. This is what we got, guys. I got this. I got a little gas tank. Because at this point, the way Eskom turns off the lights, you can actually stay the whole day without cooking anything because it's really bad. So now I just cook when the lights are on and then I heat up my food on that thing. So it's a lifesaver. So this month we're back to intermittent fasting. Hence why I'm making dinner this early. Okay, so the way I'm cooking with so much anxiety because Esco can just mess this up in a second. How I make my wings, I got this recipe from the internet. I'm gonna make sweet chili wings, and I made these a couple of times. So to make these, you need to like dry out the wings a little bit. I have my wings here, and I'm gonna mix a little bit of flour and salt and just like a little bit of spice, and then put them in the grill for like 5 minutes, depending on the heat, 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And then I'll take them out so that they just bake a little bit. Then after that, I'm gonna fry them with all the stuff: soy sauce, the chili, the spices, and everything. So this is what we've got. The jollof rice was a fail because I made it like it's regular rice, but I forgot you have to like stir it a lot. So I kind of burnt the bottom and it's mushy, it doesn't taste as good. So this is the second time I've made it and I failed, but it's okay. And then the wings, I think they're the best wings I've made. Best tasting, not best looking, but they taste good, guys. They taste really good. They're nice and sweet. You can taste the soy sauce, you can taste the chili, you can taste like the sweetness. So, but combining them together, they actually taste good. Even though the jollof rice, like the texture and everything is not proper, but the taste is really good. So I don't know if I'm hungry or I did a good job, but yeah, I'm gonna eat this. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe. I really want to get to 500 subscribers. We're almost there, so go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.